What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gentle FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. And if you are new to my channel, please, I will always beg my subscriber to like my video while watching, so I will appreciate if you too could do that for me. So in today's episode, I'll be updating you guys on this strategy I'm using. I later found something, because this strategy you are seeing on this indicator one, this one, it's a strategy I made for boom and crash 500 and 1000, and not crash 300. So this indicator is particularly for boom, crash 500 and 1000 only. But as time goes on, I found something here. I found that I could use this strategy also on 1 hour time frame. So that is why I have updated this thing. I move further. Let me show you the setting. So the RSI is period 14. Apply to low 3 pixel style, 3 pixel, and color your background. Level is 30, 70, 90, 100. So you click down. But our device will use level 90 and 10. Don't use 30. Yeah, don't use 30. Use only 90 and 10. So the second one is envelope. The same set period 25, shift 0, deviation 0.900. Method simple, apply to close. Upper band is blue, lower band is red. 33 pixel, and you can choose any color of your choice, and no level. Then the last one is moving average. The period is 44, shift is 0. Method is smooth, apply to weighted close. Style 3 pixel. I use green color, but you can use any color of your choice. So let's move into the tutorial right away. So this is a 1 hour time frame. It's a 1 hour time frame, and you can use any zoom level, but don't zoom out your chart. Yeah, a simple zoom out. So how does this strategy work? I have backtested this, but I want to backtest it once again with you guys. So listen carefully and look at the chart as in describing what you should do with this thing. Okay, so first of all, let's focus on the buying area, on buying pressure, before we could move to sell. So how does this thing work? Listing. So you wait for this lower band, this blue, and this red, sorry, this red. You wait for this lower band to touch this 10 level RSI, and also wait for the black moving average to cross it also, and touch this 10, or immediately cross it at this oversold. Then you should look for opportunity to sell. When I mean look at opportunity to sell, you don't enter the market immediately cross. Just check there is any support area that could hold price. You can see what I'm drawing, that could hold price. Immediately spike, bring it down at this area. That is when you're supposed to enter your trade. I think I will make myself clear. And your expected TP is here. The same black moving average that crossed this red, we also cross it here at this 70, or anywhere this red crossed over with this black. Then you take your TP, because it could be a trend reversal, and I could show you in next thing I'm going to say now. Then I'm sorry, I will switch to the selling mode now. You see the reason I say you should take your TP immediately it crosses again anywhere at the middle of this indicator chart. So I can see that immediately it crosses very small moment later, just a few moments later, the sell one, that is the blue, and the black also cross each other, then the sell has then begin to take possession from the market. Immediately the black one also cross the blue one again. He take the TP of selling, because moment later you could see also that buyers also took the opportunity again. And in this thing, let me show you how we could enter sell trade again. So the market cross here. If I break my cross here, you can see where this thing crossed. So it crossed here. So where you're expected to enter your trade is you could wait for spike. So immediately market reach here. This box I drew, then that is where you're supposed to enter the market. Then you write it down. Immediately it cross again. You take your TP. Then wait for the another opportunity. So in the conclusion, the overall summary, in selling, in selling, blue and black crossover at the 90 level of RSI. So on your TP is when the same black and blue, so that is when you are expected to take the TP of your sell trade. So, and summary of buying is that when the red and the black moving average cross at the 10 level of RSI, then look for opportunity to buy in. So, and when the same red and black moving average cross, then you take your TP. So that is all. And please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, share. It helps me to know that my subscribers are liking what I'm posting. So it is a buy for me. So have a beautiful week ahead. Bye.